This video is around positivity. We have created an activity where you can create your DIY keychain using words, symbols, or stickers to have that visual cue and reminder for the days when you do not feel good, for the days when you're overwhelmed, and you can carry it everywhere that you go. This is a very easy way to bring that extra boost of positivity using stickers, anything that is found around. So let's begin. For this, let's just have a material check. I have a few stickers. I have created my own DIY keychain using a cardboard and a key ring. You can also, if you do not have a cardboard, you can also use a pre-made keychain which is available online in different shapes. Right. So I'll be using a pre-made keychain for today. I have few decorative material which I want to use today. This is some glitter. If you have any 3D material that you want to use, you can use that too. I have few sketch pens, colors and a glue, and of course a scissor to go forward with, right? So let's just start. So before starting, because it's a positivity based activity, I'm thinking of what brings positivity in me. I'm thinking of everything that makes me feel happy, everything that makes me feel energetic, anything that makes me feel more motivated on the days when I don't really feel that. So there's one quote that I keep saying to myself is take it easy, right? So whenever I think of positivity, I really think about that quote. So I'll be using that quote today. So yeah, let's just begin. So on this, I am planning to write the quote and decorate it as we move forward. Okay. I'm using sheet. You can use simple sentences, you can use anything, you can use symbols to represent what brings positivity for you. I'm using a quote, you can use a song lyric. I think this is perfect. I just feel like using purple because whenever I look at the color, it also adds that little spark of positivity. So I'm just mentioning the quote that I thought and shared earlier. Take it easy. Now I'm using glue to stick my positivity quote nicely, and you can use anything, any symbol, any picture. You can use a picture as well. So here goes my quote. I just feel like using more colors to it. I'm adding yellow because that also is something that brings happiness, something that really calms me down. It's a very easy visual reminder which is more portable. You can carry it anywhere for that extra bit of motivation. I'm also using some cotton balls, colored cotton balls, to just decorate it. There's no limit to what you can use while decorating it. If you want to mention your name somewhere, you can. I think I'll just do that. I'm just letting it dry. I have few stickers as well. If you have any stickers, if you have any pictures, if you can make your own stickers too, just adding them around and it doesn't take that much time to create this keychain. And letting it dry. So that is my keychain for today. I have a couple of more ideas for you. You can use any shape, you can use any size to create your positivity keychain. This is how my DIY keychain turned out to be. I hope you create yours for that extra spark of positivity every day.